As someone who used to dread the arrival of pollutants, it's a relief without any worries. Just like the arrival of winter with dry air indoors, you can now safely turn on the heaters. All thanks to the Philips 2-in-1 solution, combining the benefits of a purifier and a humidifier. Air purification technology removes ultrafine particles, and humidification technology adds invisible water vapor in the air. And be assured that advanced air technologies are continually working for you. Like the powerful filters, which remove impurities from the air. And the Hygienic humidification adds invisible water molecules into the air. Philips 2-in-1 solution, having the benefits of a purifier and humidifier. Innovation and you. Philips.